Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to install VPN on Xbox, so let's start. First one, connect your Mac to internet via Ethernet cable. It will work through Wi-Fi. Go to System Settings and number 3, search for sharing. Number 4, click on sharing. Number 5, scroll down on internet sharing and click on the lowercase I. Number 6, under share your connection from choose VPN. Number 7, under the computers using check the box for Wi-Fi. Number 8, create a password and network name. Number 9, leave the channel as default. And number 10, set the security as WPA2 personal. Click OK. And number 12, enable internet sharing. Number 13, turn your Wi-Fi network on. Number 14, click start. Number 15, go into your Xbox settings, and number 16, join in this Wi-Fi network. Now, if you wanna looking for a VPN connection, what you can do it's go to NordVPN. It's the best service online security. If you use NordVPN, you can now unlock shows from anywhere safely, and also with our partner link in the description below you will get a special discount. The link is always down there, so check it out. Plus these guys also we give you to get a 30-day money back guarantee. What means this? That if you don't like the service, you don't like how it works, NordVPN, we return to you the money back. Also, in the principal page you can check all the features that appear in NordVPN. When you register with our link below, you can log into your account and then just write your email address, your password, and then log in. When you do it, just wait a little bit. Let's go to the left side. You will find here the menu. Just click on NordVPN and then just scroll down, and let's go to the part that says manual setup. And here on manual setup you can select the country that you prefer, and here for example select Japan, and you will find a base of VPN here. So just click here on get setup configuration, and that's it guys. That is how it works guys. I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and don't forget to give us thumbs up to this video.